is Arushi Sharma, and today we are going to talk about on a topic bicycle industry in the context of India versus China. So from years our sellers are thinking why we have to buy from China when they can make in India. So that is why we call Mr. Satish Chandra Sharma, who is a businessman who imports from China and sell in India. He knows the best, that is why we call him. So without getting further ado, let's get started on the interview. Hello Mr. Satish Sharma. So for the first question, मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगी, according to the demand cycle pattern, आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी कंट्री में साइकिल्स की डिमांड ज़्यादा है? Is it India और China?
According to population, तो मैं देखूँगा दोनों कंट्री में साइकिल की डिमांड ज़्यादा है, और बट डिफरेंट यही है कि they are used to ride the bicycle और we are using bicycle for the transportation. So both countries are the okay demand, good demand of bicycle.
So the next question is कि जब भी आप चाइना जाते हैं and when you visit the factories, तो आपको क्या टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस लगता है between China and India?
चाइना और इंडिया में हमें बेसिकली डिफरेंस ये लग रहा है, they are used to the automation of the industries. They have the robotic technology and advanced technology. और हमारे पास अभी स्टार्ट हुई है टेक्नोलॉजी, but we are still slow in the same process. So we have a long journey right now.
The next question is कि जो shipping cost है, is it more in India or China?
शिपिंग कॉस्ट अगर हम देखें फ्रॉम वन पोर्ट टू इंडिया पोर्ट, फ्रॉम द चाइना वन पोर्ट टू इंडिया पोर्ट इज हायर देन इंडिया. सो चाइना इज अ गुड प्राइस फॉर द सी पोर्ट्स freight, right? From India to our city, if we are transportation the component to the port to our city, the cost is higher than the China. Basically there is some some areas have some difficulties to reach the some goods and all that things.
Okay. So the next question is कि during holidays आपको कितने production days lose करने पड़ते हैं because of India and because of China?
For the holidays, yes. China have some planned holidays by the governments. They know how to handle it, the productions, and they know which countries have holidays and which countries not holidays. So they have some good ideas and some good ways to increase their production, and they manage their holidays one time. All China have a one-time holidays. India was there are different way, different festivals and cultures and holidays. They are impacting the
business cycle, right?
The manufacturing things.
So the next question is कि आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी गवर्नमेंट ज़्यादा इनिशिएटिव ले रही है? Is it China or is it India?
अभी की अगर हम सिचुएशन देखें आजकल की, तो इंडिया आल्सो हैव अ गुड इनिशिएटिव फॉर द प्रोडक्शन, but China is a long time they are the world leader of the exporting, right? So they have a good decision, so they reach to that point. India is also doing good, so it is better right now.
Okay. So when there is a conflict between the governments, right? Like between India and China, तो किसको ज़्यादा impact पड़ता है? The Indian sellers or the Chinese sellers?
As a businessman, अगर दो कंट्रियों में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो दोनों कंट्रीज को प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ेगी.
Okay. तो मतलब दोनों को impact पड़ता है. Right. Last, आप क्या advice देना चाहेंगे to your fellow businessmen?
मेरा मानना तो यही है कि हाँ, हमें चाइना की टेक्नोलॉजी और ताइवान की टेक्नोलॉजी को लेके आना चाहिए कंट्री में. हाँ, उनके प्रोडक्ट की कॉपी नहीं करनी चाहिए, टेक्नोलॉजी की कॉपी करो और मेक इन इंडिया को बेटर बनाओ. मेरा तो यही मानना है.
अच्छा. So thank you everyone for watching till the last. That's it for today. I just want to say कि आप अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी को और बेहतर करिए और देखें कि आप कौन सी नई इनोवेशन ला सकते हैं in the business cycle industry, which will be beneficial to you as well as for the country GDP and country beneficial also. Thank you very much.